The 2025 Range Rover Evoque is one of the most eye-catching luxury SUVs you can buy today. Starting at $51,100, this compact SUV combines stunning design with a premium badge. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. From the outside, the Evoque is absolutely gorgeous. The sleek silhouette and clean lines make rivals like the BMW X1 and Mercedes GLB look ordinary in comparison. Whether you're at the mall or a high-end restaurant, this SUV turns heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 246 horsepower. Working with a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, it gets from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. That's not particularly fast, but it's quick enough for daily driving. The Evoque really shines in urban environments. Unlike its more rugged Range Rover siblings, this SUV is built for city life. The suspension handles potholes nicely while keeping the vehicle composed through corners. However, if you're looking for sporty handling, you might want to check out the BMW X1 instead. Inside, Land Rover has created something special. The interior features a beautiful 11.4-inch curved touchscreen with their latest Pivi Pro infotainment system. Everything is easy to use, with most features just 2 taps away. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Standard, and the optional Meridian audio system sounds fantastic. Now for the not-so-good news. While the front seats are very comfortable, the back seat is quite tight for adults. It's fine for kids, but your grown-up passengers might complain on longer trips. Cargo space is decent though. You can fit 6 carry-on suitcases in the back, which works well for most families. Fuel economy is another weak point. The EPA rates the Evoque at 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway. In our real-world testing, we saw about 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Those aren't great numbers for a modern compact SUV. Safety features are comprehensive. You get automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist as standard equipment. The optional technology package adds useful features like a head-up display and 360-degree camera system, which really helps with parking. The Evoque comes in 2 versions, the Core S at $51,100 and the Dynamic SE at $56,100. We recommend the Dynamic SE if you can stretch your budget. It adds important features like a power liftgate, better seats, LED headlights, and blind spot monitoring. Here's the bottom line. The 2025 Range Rover Evoque is a beautiful luxury SUV that prioritizes style and premium feel over practicality. Yes, competitors like the BMW X1 and Volvo XC40 offer more space and better fuel economy for less money. But if you want something that stands out and makes a statement, the Evoque delivers. The good points. The design is stunning inside and out. The interior materials are top-notch. The infotainment system is easy to use, and the curb appeal is off the charts. The bad points, the back seat is cramped. Fuel economy could be better. The starting price is higher than rivals, and it's definitely more suited to city streets than off-road adventures. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Range Rover Evoque. What do you think about this stylish SUV? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.